Welcome to this guide. Over the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through the best places to find the health directory from digital hearing aids, a trusted resource designed to help you connect with reliable information and professional hearing care. The health directory is an organized collection of services, resources, and support related to hearing health. Instead of spending hours searching multiple sources, you'll find what you need in one central and convenient location. So, where do you start? The first and most reliable place is the official Digital Hearing Aids website. On the homepage, you'll notice a menu or navigation bar. Look for the section labeled Health Directory. Clicking there takes you directly to a complete list of hearing-related services. The second place is the Online Resource Center linked to Digital Hearing Aids. This area provides guides, articles, and step-by-step information on topics like hearing tests, device options, maintenance, and long-term hearing care. The third place is through affiliated clinics and service providers partnered with digital hearing aids. They often share the health directory to make it easier for clients to find trusted services locally. Inside the health directory, you'll see services like device fitting, adjustments, repairs, and personalized consultations. Each listing comes with details so you can understand what's included and how it can support your hearing health. The best part is that this directory is updated regularly, which means you're always accessing the latest information and support available. To recap, check the Digital Hearing Aids website, explore their resource center, and use their affiliated clinics to access the health directory. With these 3 places, you'll always know where to go for reliable hearing health services. That's the best places to find the health directory from digital hearing aids.